Now, the Cookie Students Organization KSO Delhi NCR has condemned the last-minute removal of Cookie National Organization KNO spokesperson Sailin Haukip as panelist in a discussion program which was held as a part of a Delhi University Literature Festival yesterday. According to a press note issued by KSO, Sailin Haukip was supposed to be part of discussion program on the topic "The Great Game East Northeast Cauldron" along with other panelists such as freelance journalist Rajiv Bhattacharya, political analyst Rajat Sethi and retired Lieutenant General Konsam Himalaya. But the organizer removed the name of Sailin Haukip just 15 minutes before the program. Condemning the incident as an insult to academic freedom and suppression of Cookie voices, KSO alleged that the decision was made under pressure from Maitai groups.